for that purpose, we will include the CTrade class. Okay. Come on, cooperate. And let's just open a buy stop order at the swing high plus the ask price. Let's go for this. If swing high is actually bigger than 0, then and only then we will try to open a buy stop order. Okay, and now let's do a couple more input variables. We'll start with double lots 0.1. Yep, double stop loss points, which will be 100, let's say, points, plural. Input double take profit points, which will be 100. And something else very important, input enum time frames. I really like doing this, and I'll show you why in a couple of minutes. Period current. Okay, what did I do wrong here? Yeah, I didn't finish this. Okay. Yeah, first of all, I want to change every time frame here with my input enum time frames variable called time frame. Okay, I don't think I miss anything. We're still early. And then let's finish this. I'll show you. Okay, this will be, so the entry price, the at which the buy stop will be placed, is the price that we will receive from this function. And which reminds me actually that we should round this up like this. High would be normalized double, high and digits. Yeah, because we don't want 10 digits after the comma. This sometimes gets it bugs the EA sometimes. And so we have this. Okay, so the stop loss will be for when we buy, we want to use the ask. When we say we want to use the bid, so we should first define those right here. Double ask is equal to symbol info double ask, and double bid is equal to symbol info. Okay, so we will use the ask here plus stop loss points multiply by points and ask. Oh, sorry. The stop loss will be below the buy stop order, and this will be above with yep, yep. Okay, something else. Uh, yep. Uh, I guess we should do this as well. Expiration. When will the buy stop order disappear? We'll do this now with another input here, which will be an integer expiration candles. How many candles will we wait for this? Actually, experience. No, this is how we should name it. Let's say 10 hours. No, a day. Wait for a day. And we should define it right here. Date, time, um, expiration will be time current plus the expiration time multiplied by period seconds on the time frame we're using. Is that right? That's right. So we'll use the expiration here and no comments for now. Okay, is everything okay? Perfect. Okay, let's try this now. Um, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, that was too fast. So at this point, we think that we have a swing high at candle number 13, which is this one, and it placed the buy stop right there. Okay, it placed another one. We did an entry. I guess we will have a couple positions actually placed here because we don't have a counter, of course. Yeah, we'll fix that later. But it seems to be working okay. Yeah, okay. Actually, did we check the expiration? I don't think we did. Uh, I don't know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, let's change the expiration though. We should refresh this. Expiration time. Let's do it for 2 hours only, so it's easier to test. Nope, it's not working. So we placed those. No, we're not sure. Oh, it's definitely not working. So it placed them 5 to 6 minutes ago, and they're still. No, it should be working actually, because okay, okay, order expired. Perfect. Mhm. Yeah, they're definitely disappearing. Okay. So yeah, let's check this out. So we have the swing high function ready. It works, it finds the high, and we now placed buy stop order right there. And what we can do now is do the same thing for the sell stop order, but I think I'll do this in the next video.